is meditation? For me, meditation is about bringing order into our lives. The first step is creating order in the body. To do this, place yourself in a stable position, sitting on a cushion on the floor, or on a Zen bench, or simply on a chair. People often ask if it's possible to meditate lying down. The truth is, you can meditate in any position. However, when you're beginning, it's usually best to sit. This helps to prevent falling asleep and supports the habit of alert awareness. And as you gain more experience, it becomes easier to meditate in different ways. The next step is learning to keep the body still. This is why posture is very important. So keep your back upright, find a position that feels comfortable, and allow yourself to remain there without strain. In the beginning, try 5 minutes a day, then gradually increase the time. Research suggests that at least 20 minutes a day is needed to experience clear benefits. Beyond that, you can practice for as long as feels right for you. Once you can sit in stillness for several minutes, in other words, once there's order in the body, the next step is to bring order to the mind. This means focusing your attention on something simple, an object, a phrase, or even a color. To begin, I recommend the breath. Notice the air as it enters your body, and notice it as it leaves your body. And when thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them. Then gently return your attention to the breath. This is how the mind learns order. It's natural for the mind to wander, and that's why we call it a practice, because each time we return to the present, we are training. Inhale. This is the present. Exhale. This too is the present. And over time, your concentration deepens, and you discover the joy of resting more fully in the here and now.